Good morning, children. In today's class, we are going to learn some multiple choice questions from chapter 4, Differential Equations. Question number 1, the degree of the differential equation. As I look at the question, there is no radical symbol for the derivatives. So, here the order is 4, whereas here the order is 2 and here the order is 1. 1, 2, 4. The bigger one I have to choose. Whole power, no number tells me 1. So, this tells me order and this tells me degree. So, the degree is 1. Option A is the right choice. Question number 2. The order and degree of the differential equation. As I look at the question, it has radical symbol, say square root. To avoid radical symbol, let us square on both the sides. As I square and square root will get cancelled. We are left with d square y by dx square. That is dy by dx plus 5. When I compare the terms, the bigger order I have to choose. Here the order is 2, whereas here the order is 1. So choose the bigger order. This will be my choice. Order 2, whole power 1 tells me degree. So the order is 2 and the degree is 1. 2, 1. Order and degree. 2, 1. So, option C is the right choice. Question number 3. The order and degree of the differential equation. As I look at the question, it is d square y by dx square, the whole power 3 by 2 minus root of dy by dx minus 4 equal to 0. Let us bring these two terms to the right. It is d square y by dx square, the whole power 3 by 2, that is root of dy by dx plus 4. We should not have radical symbols, that is the degree should not be a fraction. Let us square on both the sides. As I square, by 2 will go off. I will get d square y by dx square, the whole power 3. That is root of dy by dx the whole square plus 4 square plus 2 times root of dy by dx into 4. As we look at this equation, there is square root symbol once again. But this is not allowed to find out order and degree. So, leave the square root term alone in RHS. Bring the remaining to the LHS. So, we have d square y by dx square the whole cube minus dy by dx minus 4 square is 16. RHS, I have 8 root of dy by dx. To avoid the square root, let us square again. So, squaring on both the sides, we get LHS d square y by dx square the whole cube minus dy by dx minus 16 the whole square is 8 square 64. Root of dy by dx will just become dy by dx. Now it is a plain equation. There is no radical symbol for the derivatives. So I can choose the highest order. Order 1, here the whole square is there, but here it is order 1, order 2. So I have to choose this term. Here order is 2, whereas degree It is already the power 3. Again the power 2. So 3 and 2 as I multiply. Power to power we will multiply. So degree will be 6. Order 2, degree 6. Option A will be the right choice. Question number 4. The differential equation is given. We need to find the order and degree. First of all, let us check for radical symbols of derivatives. In this equation, this is the derivative. Y can have any power. Y's radical symbol will not affect order and degree. So we will check only the derivative. The derivative is free from radical symbol. So this is my choice. Order inside, that is 1. Degree outside, that is 3. So order 1, degree 3. Look out for the choice. Our choice is B. Order 1, degree 3. Question number 5. The differential equation formed by eliminating A and B from this equation. Given there are two constants. To eliminate, let us differentiate 2 times. Y is A e power x plus B e power minus x. When I differentiate first time, y becomes dy by dx. RHS A as it is, e power x, the derivative e power x plus B into e power minus x, the derivative minus e power minus x. E power x, derivative e power x, e power minus x, the derivative minus e power minus x. Let us differentiate again. Dy by dx will now become d square y by dx square. RHS A as it is, e power x becomes e power x plus b into minus e power minus x will become minus e power minus x. There was a minus symbol already. Minus into minus will give us plus symbol. So a e power x plus b e power minus x. This is nothing but y from equation 1. So we have derived d square y by dx square is nothing but y, or I can say d square y by dx square minus y equal to 0. So the right choice is A. Question number 6. If y is equal to cx plus c minus c cube, then its differential equation. C cube all amount to the same constant c. So there is a single constant c which needs to be identified. Let us differentiate one time since there is one constant. As I differentiate, y will become dy by dx. C into x will become 1. C being a constant will become 0. Again, c cube is a constant that also becomes 0. So I get c equals dy by dx. Let me substitute c equals dy by dx in equation number 1. We derive y equals cx, that is dy by dx into x plus c. C is dy by dx minus c cube, that is dy by dx the whole cubed. If I compare my answer, option A will be the right choice. Question number 9. The differential equation of y equals mx plus c. Given m and c are arbitrary constants, that is, there are two constants So we need to differentiate twice. First time when I differentiate with respect to x, y becomes dy by dx m into x will become 1, c constant will become 0. Now I need to eliminate m also. So again let me differentiate. Dy by dx becomes d square y by dx square. M being a constant will become 0. Option A will be the right choice. Question number 15. The differential equation formed by eliminating A and B. Two constants to be eliminated. So let us differentiate two times. Given y equals e power minus 2x into a cos x plus b sin x. To avoid problems, let us bring e power minus 2x to the left side. It becomes y e power minus 2x, the negative power, will go to the left side as the positive power. RHS is a cos x plus b sin x. As I differentiate, LHS, y keep as it is. E power 2x will become 2 e power 2x plus keep e power 2x as it is, y will become y1. What have I done? They have given y1, y2 in my options. y1 tells me first derivative, y2 tells me second derivative. So, as I differentiate, it is in product. Keep y, differentiate e power 2x plus keep e power 2x, y becomes y1, the first derivative. RHS, a cos x will become minus sin x plus b sin x will become cos x. Once again, we are going to differentiate. Before that, let us simplify. Here, e power 2x is common. If I take e power 2x as common, I am left with 2y plus y1. RHS minus a sin x plus b cos x. As we differentiate again with respect to x. Again there are two terms in the LHS. Keep e power 2x. 2y will become 2y1 plus y1 will become y2. So keep the first term, differentiate the second term. 2y becomes y1, y1 becomes y2 plus keep the second term 2y plus y1 into e power 2x will become 2 e power 2x. RHS, a with negative symbol, sin x becomes cos x plus b into cos x becomes minus sin x. In LHS, e power 2x is common. As I take e power 2x out, I am left with 2y1 plus y2, 2 into 2y. I will write 4y. 2 into y1. I will write 2y1. So from both the terms, we have taken e power 2x as common. I am left with 2y1 plus y2. Here 2 and this bracket left out. 2 into 2y, 2 into y1. RHS minus symbol is common. So I can take minus symbol and write a cos x plus b sin x. Referring to the given equation, a cos x plus b sin x is present here. So bring e power 2x to the other side. The bracket, as I simplify, it is y2, 2y1 plus 2y1, that is 4y1. And we are left with 4y. 2y1 plus 2y1 4y1 plus 4y. E power 2x will go to the other side as e power minus 2x into a cos x plus b sin x. RHS I can read as y from equation number 1. So RHS, there is a minus symbol and the remaining I will just call y. As I simplify, I get y2 plus 4y1 plus 4y equal to minus y, or bringing this y to the left, y2 plus 4y1 plus 4y plus y equal to 0. Or in other words, we get y2 plus 4y1 plus 5y equal to 0. So the right choice is D. Question number 17. The differential equation of x square plus y square equal to a square. Here there is a single constant. Let us differentiate with respect to x. X square becomes 2x, y square becomes 2y dy by dx. RHS is purely a constant. As I differentiate, it becomes 0. Now 2y dy by dx we can rewrite as minus 2x. 2 and 2 we can cancel. As I cross multiply, y dy equals minus x dx. Or I can say minus x dx can come to the left as plus x dx plus y dy equals to 0. Option D will be the right choice. Question number 20. The general solution of the differential equation dy by dx equal to cos x. As I cross multiply, I get dy equals cos x dx. So we have separated the variables so we can integrate. Dy, the integral is y. Cos x dx, the integral is sin x. And whenever we integrate, we introduce a constant c, where c is an arbitrary constant. In the given choice, option D will be the suitable answer. Question number 21. A homogeneous differential equation of the form dy by dx equals f of y by x can be solved by making a substitution. If my question is f of y by x, a suitable substitution y equal to vx will reduce the equation as variable separable in x and v. So y equals to vx will be the ideal answer. The same question is now reworded as dx by dy equals f of x by y. When it is y by x, we put y is equal to vx. When it is x by y, we put x is equal to vy. So option A is the suitable answer. Question number 23. Variable separable form of a particular equation given dy by dx equals y into x minus y. Denominator x into x plus y. As I put y is equal to vx, y becomes dy by dx, RHS v plus x dv by dx. They have given this also in the question. As I substitute, dy by dx is v plus x dv by dx. Y by x, I can write v. Y by x, I can write v. X minus, in the place of y, I can write vx. Denominator x plus in the place of y I can write Vx. Now keeping x out, I get 1 minus v. Denominator x out, it becomes 1 plus v. X and x will get cancelled. LHS, we have x dv by dx plus v will go to the right side as minus v. As we simplify by taking LCM 1 plus v, I get v into 1, v into v, 1 into minus v, v into minus v. V and v gets cancelled. We are left with minus 2v square by 1 plus v. As we separate the variables, we have x dv by dx in LHS minus 2v square by 1 plus v in RHS. As we separate the variables, 1 plus v by 2v square dv equals the minus symbol left here, x by dx will go as dx by x. As we compare this step with the given 4 choice, option D will be the suitable answer. Question number 24. Which of the following is the homogeneous differential equation? To check, every term should be of same degree. 3x degree 1, 5 has no degree. Obviously, this is not homogeneous. Here the degree 1, here the degree 0. So, A removed. When I come to B option, degree 1, multiplying tells me together the degree is 2. But here the degree is 3 and 3. So 3 only should come, but 2 is given. So B is also wrong. Next we come up to C. The degree is 2. The degree is 2. Here 1 plus 1. Whenever I multiply, I add the degree. So that is also 2. Here also 2. So every term has same degree. So this is a homogeneous differential equation. When I come to option D, here the degree is 2. Here the degree is 1. Again it is not homogeneous. So the right option is C.